Hey guys, Nomus RC. Got some goodies in for the Xmaxx. New differential gears. I went with spiral cut. You know, I kind of hear mixed reviews pretty much everywhere on Xmaxx diffs. But all I can tell you is the 35 tooth stock ones and the 42 tooth original ones, I blow them both, shimmed or not. So I'm going to give these a whirl and see what this does. I also have these right here. I do have aluminum diff case covers, front and rear. So between those and these new diffs, I would think I should be good. But we shall see. So you got one of those. And then we'll go ahead and grab this one out of this side. Pull the outdrive cups off. So we're going to take these four out here. Okay, there's all four of those. Pull this apart from here. We can drop all of our gears out. You just kind of reach in there and grab them and pull them out. First, we're just going to start with cleaning these up. Basically, what I like to do with these is just take them completely apart and then just squish them around in a napkin a bunch. And then we'll transfer them over to a fresh napkin and squish them around in there. Okay. So on pretty much all washers, if you're not familiar, there's rounded sides. Like both of these are rounded, and then on this side, they're kind of sharp on the edges. I like to put the rounded facing towards the gear, so that if there's any friction, it's not much. And then we have our pinion. And then we have our sun gear that already has a washer installed on the back of it and a seal. We're going to drop that down in there. You just kind of put your finger in there like that to get it straightened out, and then push it through. And it should be pretty much flush. So now we can reinstall our spiders. So these do have a little bit of a flattened edge on this side and then a sharp edge on this side. So just like the washer that we put behind here, we want these softer edges facing upwards and the sharper edges facing downwards for the metal washer. And we want the same thing here. We want the softer edge facing inwards of the diff and the sharper edges going outwards. So bevel sides facing the inside. Go ahead and get some fluid in here. So now we want to take our new ring gear, and we want to take one of our pinions that has a washer already installed and a seal. We just put that down in there, push that seal in. Again, make sure that it's pretty much flush. And then we can actually put this together. So now we can put our bearings back on. Now you can install your out drives. You really do want to use Loctite on these, or else every single time that you take your diff out, these things will be completely loose and about ready to fall out. The only thing that will be keeping them together is the pressure of the drive shaft, which that's not really what you want. So give them a nice snug. Again, before you put on the outdrive, make sure you got your bearing on there. This one fell off. So I'll put that back on. Give that a nice snug, and now your differential is done. Now we'll do the other one, and then we will put the Xmaxx back together.